The Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi has launched its new Turbo series phone in China called Redmi Turbo 4, with quite new design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi Turbo 4 features a tall 6.67-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 3200 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it has Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset, paired with Immortalis G720MC7 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Redmi Turbo 4 features a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's LYT600 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 20-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6550 mAh battery, with 90 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on HyperOS 2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.95 by 75.24 by 8.06 millimeters, and it weighs around 203.5 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi Turbo 4 5G has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Lucky Cloud White, Shadow Black, and Shallow Sea Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi Turbo 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.